Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnson County in southeastern
County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma.
Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burneville and another just southwest of Thackerville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maudeal, Tishomingo, Marietta, Kingston, Dixon, Mansville, Ravia, Thackerville, Overbrook, Woodville, Lake Murray, Burneville, Lebanon, Rossett, Willis, Little City, Northern Lake Texoma, Oakland, and McBride. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 25. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm